All of us are slaves to our ego. I always like to walk in the rain so no one can see my tears. When a man is drunk, his true character comes out. It is easy to help a friend in need, but it is not appropriate to give him your time. A mirror is my best friend, because when I cry, it never laughs. It is easy to help a friend in need, but it is not appropriate to give him your time. This world is merciless and a man must be merciless to fight it. An apple fell, and the world discovered gravity. Alas, millions of bodies have fallen so far, but the world has never discovered humanity. What do you want meaning? Life is desire, not meaning. If you are happy, laugh slowly, so that sadness does not wake up. And if you are sad, cry slowly, so that the coming happiness does not turn into despair. Nothing is permanent in this cruel world, not even our problems. If you really want to laugh, then be able to bear your pain, and start playing with it. I can make you laugh. All I need is a park, a policeman and a pretty girl. I have many problems in life, but my lips don't know that they are always smiling. The deeper the truth in creative work, the longer it will live. If you're really true to yourself, that's a wonderful thing. If you look closely, life is a tragedy. And if you look from a distance, it will be seen as a joke. Finally, everything is a scam. In the end, everything is a hoax. What is found quickly ends, and what is found with comfort does not end. Do not judge a man by how he treats his equals, but judge him by how he treats his inferiors.